one that I did last time I was here, just to start me off, because I wasn't able to practice this week for a ton of reasons. So I hope you guys will enjoy this one. This one's called Run to You. We took the long way down, through every in and out and round every roundabout, and I can see clearly now all those lovely little things that you like to talk about, and I wish I could just see you tonight, 'cause maybe if I could, I'd run to you, I'd run to you, don't know if I should, but if you want me to, I'd run to you, I'd run to you, and I know we'll have it all. Every broken dream is made to mend after a fall, but I want you to be near, to hold me close forever, just to know that you're here, and I wish I could just see you tonight, 'cause maybe if I could, I'd run to you, I'd run to you, don't know if I should, but if you want me to, I'd run to you, I'd run to you, 'cause life has driven us all crazy, and I haven't felt like myself lately, but I know it's better when you're here, and all of the bad things disappear, and I just need you now. Oh, maybe if I could, I'd run to you.